Yeah.
Oh, there's some back here too. Oh, that's
dude.
That's in there bad.
This is blown off.
Yeah. Who sings that?
Sarah McLachlan.
He did a rolling anti-lag hit in 4th gear and it built 58 pounds of boost at 4,800 RPM. Yep, windowed it.
Holy buckets. Holy buckets.
Hey guys.
What's up?
All my employees. I want to go for a ride. I want to go for a ride. He was just doing fucking.
Yeah, how long has it been? I forget. How long have you had it on this crazy
Well, at this power level?
At this power level, it's been like
6 months.
Shelby, the
He's
log
at least
in the
got the
load's going to show it
suspension.
all. First ever 5-cylinder 1J, 0.7J. She hung good for the first 7 pulls.
That's good. We're
7 or 8
joy rides. Yeah,
Can't complain.
I said you thought it was so funny that he sent the firecracker.
C5 TSI.
Yeah, how many pounds do you think?
He was. He just had all of it.
Wait, did you put the super lucent on here?
The trunk. They put the trunk off the super lucid on here,
that's
so it wouldn't
right. I thought maybe you just switched the badge.
That's what made it blow. It thought it was a super lucian. It said, fuck this.
Son of a bitch.
Draggy pulls and shit. Wait. I think there's a hole on this side too. Yep, windowed it.
Where? Through and through?
Yep. Took that piston. It was like,
Hey, flashlight.
rod. And that's why you couldn't see it. Yep.
Oh shit!
I said if it's behind the motor mount. Go get that 2J
That's a hole.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Go drop the trailer off at the house and
That's
make a
nice.
trip.
We'll put the GTE block in this one.
Where's the other side? Where?
Huh?
Where's it? Oh.
Over there. this one's a little bit harder than this.
Whoopsies. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Wow.
I'm sure I'll be here one day. That's a giant hole, but it's all behind the motor mount. Damn.
Damn.
You can see in this side a lot more.
That's fucking.
Yeah, look, there's a piece of piston right there. Well, how many 2Js do you have now?
He has 1 now. He's buying 2 more. Well, pull the log.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's go. How many pounds?
I'm saying 62.
I don't know. It was cold that night though.
It was.
I'm saying over. Yeah, I'll say over 60.
Yeah.
It was 66 at the track with a negative
He's got
450 DA.
He's got the
It was
turbo guard on.
55 pounds that day, wasn't it?
Yeah, that's true. The turbo guard did calm it down.
All right, so 61, Andy. That's what it is. No.
I'm gonna say it's probably still on the same boost. It was just more density, so it's making more power even though it's...
I said the valve.
You'll be able to tell by rough power by fuel.
Yep.
Yeah, the objective boom cycle.
In June,
120.
he's got 120 on 2600.
What was it at the track? He was almost at 100.
Yeah, but that wasn't on these injectors.
1700.
Oh,
I was gonna say, I forgot that you got
maybe
26.
80%.
That's probably what happened. Is it finally kicked into the other fuel table, hydrolocked the motor, and that's what ate a piston. Nah, I'm still going with it. Drop the valve.
I bet it was screaming right before it.
Nah, it was only mid-4th gear full. He was only 130.
Only.
Yeah, but still.
That's the money
I'm gonna say
here right there.
It probably got
And that was only the 12th time
right
we
before
saw
a
it
car
that
blows up,
day.
it feels fast.
I'll say 50.
Say what?
I said right before a car blows up, it feels fast.
Oh, you said like 90 miles an hour with sideways on you?
Yeah.
Oh shit, let's see what the log says. Bum bum bum.
Log says all the power.
Yeah.
Danger and driver error too, probably. He found the first 13th click on the boost knob.
He's gonna be like, what gear did you say you were in, Andy?
Actually, double shifted to fifth.
What?
I've seen slant six motors. You can pull that rod out, still runs. Season ain't over.
Yeah, but then his front end blew up in fucking August.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not controlling it. I was like, well, I always say, if you're gonna fuck it up right. And you did.
Well, better in your hands than somebody else's.
Yeah. I'd cried if I was driving.
I mean, again,
That's
let's be
the
honest.
risk
We
you
all
got
knew
to drive
it was a ticking time bomb. I can't complain on the girl at all. She held 900 horse for quite a few runs on a 27-year-old stock.
I don't twist that knob the same way he does, though.
I'm always searching for that 13th or 14th click.
How many clicks are there?
How about that?
Catch you outside?
And what I
What does that mean?
Yes, all of them. Not on street or on radials, no. I always kept it dialed down on that because it got.
I'm surprised, man.
Those tires were legit.
That's great.
I want to see what's in the pan.
Yeah. The piston that was. Yeah.
There's a valve in there. You can see it. So I want to know how much is in the pan.
I mean, half of it's probably on 896.
Yeah.
What happened?
Wait, so what happened?
Torque was through the roof.
He did a rolling anti-lag hit in 4th gear and it built 58 pounds of boost at 4,800 RPM. And it didn't matter how much timing I had pulled in that area, it was still just way too fucking much.
Yeah. No, that's way too high.
Way too much boost in that area.
Can we turn the rolling anti-lag off in any gear above 3rd?
For the next one?
Yeah, for the next
Sure,
one.
Sure. It's not going to matter.
I still don't want to put that much load on it.
The next one, man. The next one should take it though.
Well, I got 2 blocks to spare, so.
Yeah, I mean, I could set a disarming speed. It won't let you to use it above a certain speed. If I say above 90 mile an hour, then you physically couldn't do it in 4th gear at 90 mile an hour.
Right, but I did it at 4th gear at. See, that's what I'm trying to say. I mean, 4th gear at 90 mile an hour probably wouldn't be nearly the load it was on the car.
Because you were on the rolling anti-lag at 75 mile an hour.
But you know what? It hooked for the few seconds before it popped.
Yeah, I can see that because you let it off and it ran. It did a pull for about 1,500 RPM and then blew up at like 5,500 RPM. Because as you started going throughout the rev range, it started putting timing back into it, and then that's when it was just too much fucking torque. Yeah, 57.6 pounds, and that was with the fucking turbo car. Shoot. Yeah, and I could see where the knock sensors went wild right after it blew up because everything was clanking around.
Yeah. I thought it might have gone into lip load, and then I was like, and then all the smoke started filling the fucking cabin. I'm like, all right, that's a problem.
So it was after the pool?
It was during.
During, but like right after you let off any
Like 1,500 RPM after that.
It
Right.
hung in there for a second. Literally.
It's, probably like a second at best.
Yeah, I mean, hell, it probably felt really good.
Oh, it felt fucking great. And like the 3rd gear, 65 mile an hour rolling anti-lags, it just shouldn't get. Before it would leave, it would just get sideways crazy. It left 11s, but it fucking threw you in the seat and fucking took off with these tires.
The cable or whole V-lock.
Oh. Shoot. There's the wrist pin I tried to get up.
Damn.
Whose socket is that?
That's a wrist pin.
That's the wrist pin.
What?
I thought it was a socket too at first.
It was on the outside of the block, and he pushed
Oh,
it.
we blew the cap apart.
Oh my god. That rod is just. Hold on, let me get a picture.
Smoked her. Oh, my.
Oh, here's another piece over here in the shielding.
Yeah,
Oh, there's some back here too. Oh, that's
dude.
that's in their bag.
This is blown off.
Yes.
Oh,
Damn.
lower oil pan
Oh,
ain't no
wow. Look at that chunk.
This one back here.
good. That oil pan's no good.
Oh, no.
It's busted the fucking ear off when it blew this
Here goes
out.
one of the rings.
Oh yeah.
Whoa, look at
That's
how
the
squiggly
oil.
it is.
Damn, watch out! You're getting oil all over you.
It folded the fucking.
Me too.
Destruction is real.
The carnage is crazy.
Oh my,
It's all piston.
Yeah, look.
that's crazy.
Yeah, because when it said I quit, it wasn't joking.
Oh my god.
Wrist pin looks good.
Yeah, that's
That's so
reusable.
funny.
Right.
Who's scoring?
No, not at all.
It literally would
probably
just popped
thicker
right
than
out.
your wrist
I
pins.
was about to say it
No,
probably
I
is.
almost want to put that on my chain.
This crank is toast.
Oh yeah.
I can see his fucking.
I could see. You could see it through the hole. It's all got fucking. It's fall off.
This thing is just all fucked. Oh, look at
Damn, look at it.
There's more.
Oh yeah, look. Go ahead and look straight up. You can see the fucking. Piston
oh, yeah.
and-
Oh yeah.
Let me see.
Oh.
Holy buckets.
Oh yeah, the crank is all chopped up.
Yeah.
You can see it over here. You stand all the way over
Watch
here
that
because
oil on that new phone.
Just lubricate it.
Oh my goodness.
Might be the worst motor I've ever seen.
Well,
Well, it didn't split the block, so
I mean, you know.
Might as well have it. Ripped the whole upper oil pan apart.
Yeah, the fucking upper oil pan is
were those 10 mils?
wow, that's
Yeah.
crazy.
Mom always raised me to do it right.
There you go.
Damn.
Oh, there went another part.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
just
crazy.
take it to dark and like weld me up a figure statue like.
There's a couple pieces in there.
What does that smell? It smells funny, no? Like,
Smell of engine carnage.
Oh, that and he drained the transfers.
oh, maybe.
Well, it's weird. Anytime you like start cracking bolts loose after when you open up an engine, they always snake.
Yeah, you know what I just saw the other day? When we were building I put my rods together, and you were like, smell this, it smells like a burnt VHS tape. I'm like, motherfucker, I'm 23. You think I know what a burnt VHS tape is?
God, that's horrible.
What's that? Oh, that's the top half of the rod sitting on the
Yeah.
top.
But
It was a good run.
I don't got a lot of money. I just make stupid financial.
All right, y'all. Till next time.
Not gonna beat on the other cars.
Yeah.
Nice Columbus truck.
What do you got here?
Hopefully something that we can make work.
Holy shit. Why are you worried now?
Here's the COVID.
Oh, man. Oh, hold on. I gotta get. This is the compact version. So what size is this? It's a
G42 1200.
G42 1200. Holy cow. So this is for Andy and the Cresta. You gonna do some measurings?
Yeah. Just want to kind of trying to gauge how much closer it's going to be at the valve cover. So you know this was like that. So from the center, about 3.5. Which is in the same direction. Assuming we're going to put it in the same direction. About 4. So notice it about a ½ inch closer to the engine, which I believe we have plenty of room. We had like 2 inches. Don't know if the strut tower bar is going to fit on the top though.
I'm guessing no. It was very tight before, if I remember correctly.
How much is in the pan?
I mean, half of it's probably on 896.
Well, the good thing is you can keep a lot of this stuff too. Well, not if you're going 2 jets.
No, it's
Yeah, but I think it was tight because of that.
Okay, well that is not on the new one.
No.
girth on this sucker. Even on the housing. The housing is really like fucking massive.
Big boy shit.
Big boy shit. We coming for you, Duff. Duffy been trying to get Edgar to go Borg, but Edgar is a Garrett boy for sure, and so is Andy. So this is beautifully huge.
What's that green commercial? He went to where?
He went to Jared.
He went to Jarrett. He went to Garrett.
He went to Garrett. That's pretty good marketing. That's what they should do. He went to Garrett. That's funny. That's great. Yeah, Cresta will be quite a bit of a project, but we'll just wanted to update everybody on the size of this turbo because it's massive. Yeah. But, all right, we'll get back to work. I'm doing Sunday today, huh? Yeah.